guys, it's Kid Builder here today. Today I'm gonna be smashing Mr. Cat. You remember him from a previous video. He has a funny face. It's pretty tall. Ears, tails. So today we'll be smashing him to bits. Start. Well, there's the inside. We're going to be using these to build add-ons to our town. So, let's get started. So, we're back, and we are now going to build a park bench. So first you'll need these little round pieces that I use for his legs, cat's legs. So we're going to use them. First you're going to stack them on top of each other, like this. You'll need a total of 8 of the little circles. And then you get a 4 by 9 platform, and stick each one of those leg-like things on there. Then you add a 2 by 9 platform onto it, like a bench, like a sitting spot for a bench. I meant a picnic table. Here's the finished model. Let's go put it in our town. So we're going to put it with the other bench at our park. So when people order their food, they can sit down at a nice bench. You can make a double bench, or you can do single benches. You just need to make double of those and put them right next to each other. So at our little park, we have a trash can, a guy eating, and our 2 benches. So, you could vote on, well, we are going to have a vote with the people in my house of what we are going to make with all the other pieces. So, I'll go check with them. So we are going to be building a grocery store. So it'll obviously need more pieces than this. So right now we're going to be building the main structure. So let me go grab a platform 4. So we're going to be using this platform to build the grocery store. I'll show you when I'm halfway done with the structure. So we are running low on pieces. I know this might look like a lot, but it's mostly pieces I'm not able to use for this. So I'll need to destroy another set I built. This guy I have not brought onto a video before, but it is a pretty cool thing. So let me go grab him. So I'm going to show him to you in pieces because, well, it's kind of really big. So here's his head, his legs, and his body. All stacked up together, he's up to 6 feet, no, 4 feet tall. He's a 4 foot tall Lego set. I'll put him together, but you might not be able to stay together for long. He's really easy to break. Sorry, he's about 2.5 feet tall. Here he is. So yeah, he is really tall. But sadly, I'll have to take him apart. He is really cool. None of his features actually move, but he has fingers. And his shoes actually have shoelaces. Well, it's time to break him. Well, now let me go clean up the remains so I'll be able to finish this. So here are all of his pieces. His head stayed intact. His body broke in half. I actually don't know what this is from. There's one of his legs. It broke. Neck. Foot and his arm. Oh, this is another arm. That's why. Alright, so I'm going to finish breaking him, and then we'll keep building on our grocery store. So I am done with the grocery store. There is something inside it, but I'll need to use a flashlight to show you. So there is some shelves. Cash register. A fruit thing, a freezer, and another shelf. So this is now going to go in our town. So I am going to remove the construction site because this is the thing they're constructing on the construction site. So I'm going to go remove that, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and build on.